Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's make two DIY organizers for kitchen. For the first DIY I am using this cake board. So let's start. If you don't have cake board you can use cardboard also, but cake board the surface will be more smooth. So I prefer using cake board or foam board. Now you can see that I have cut the cake board in the shape of a chopping board. Let's start painting. I am using white acrylic paint as the base coat. After fully drying, I will be applying this lavender color chalk paint. I am mixing it with the white acrylic paint to make it more lighter. The tip part I am using darker shade of lavender chalk paint. Next I am taking this small plastic case. I am cutting it a little bit because the length is more than what I need. This is actually the container of a nail polish that I had purchased from Zudio. Now I am covering it with ice cream sticks. I have covered front side and two sides only. Okay, now let's start painting it with lavender color chalk paint. Our chopping board had dried fully. I am pasting a sticky note on this chopping board. I had used Fevicol. Next I am sticking this journaling card with a beautiful quote and few stickers to fill the gap on the bottom side. So I am attaching this cute paper clip. Now let's take this ice cream craft. I am placing a jute drop on the topmost portion and tying a knot. Now let's stick it on our chopping board, and I have used glue gun for this purpose. A small sticker also. Now let's put small dots with white acrylic paint on the top portion. So our organizer is ready. Let's give detailing on the sides with lavender color chalk paint, darker shade. Let's paste it on the wall. So this organizer is very useful. I will be placing a pen on the stand and I will be writing things to buy on the sticky note. For the next DIY organizer I am using this cardboard box. So I am removing the sides and unwanted stickers from it. Let's paint it with white acrylic paint. So this is the base coat. It has fully dried. Now I am using this decoupage paper. So I will be using this design. So the required design I am outlining with a wet brush so that it can be easily removed. When I check the length, the bottommost portion is excess. So I am cutting it away. Usually we don't use scissors for decoupage tissue, but since this is coming in the bottom portion, it's okay. Now let's paste it using Mod Podge glue. I will be applying a small layer of Mod Podge glue first on the cardboard. Then I will be separating the topmost portion of decoupage tissue and gently paste it little by little. Be careful to avoid tearing and also avoid air bubbles. Here I am using a dry brush to gently paste it and to remove air bubbles. Be gentle, otherwise it will tear away. So now I have pasted this portion. Next I will paste the next decoupage tissue also in the same way. So first I will be applying a very thin layer of Mod Podge glue. If the glue is too much also, your tissue will be tearing away. So be careful and be gentle. You can apply Mod Podge glue and paste decoupage tissue step by step way, little by little, to avoid errors. Now I am pasting the edge portion also. With Mod Podge glue. So let's coat the surface with one thin layer of Mod Podge glue. After that I am painting the entire container with a green color chalk paint. I am using a piece of old tablecloth, a plastic one, to cover the bottom portion. Inside this cardboard box I will be placing refined oil, ghee and coconut oil. So this is the organizer for the countertop. It's very useful. You can try this DIY organizer as well. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.